Hello everyone, I am Dattatreya Nikam. Welcome you all on our YouTube channel eFunda for our today's new topic, and our today's new topic is on a different topic than all our previously published topics related to engineering technical contents. Being our eFunda channel viewer, sharing the news on release of my first engineering book on subject fundamentals of project planning and engineering. We have covered this subject, content and more inside of this book in our today's video. One of the proudest moment of my life to share this good news with you all as my channel family partner or viewer. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get personalized notification on new uploads of our videos on new topic on our eFunda channel. Our special thanks to Penram International Publishing India Private Limited team for having confidence, faith in our team and chose us to make a piece of engineering textbook on this subject. Our team of Mr. Dilip Pawar sir, Associate Professor at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai, and fortunately my professor during my engineering studies, and of course myself Dattatreya Nikam. We have a good understanding, planning and preparation of this book by segregating various chapters containing their information, gradually increasing the understanding of engineering student. Thanks for getting an opportunity to design the cover page of this book as well. Without the support of proofreader, reviewer and approver of this book to make our dream as a good success. Fundamentals of Project Planning and Engineering. Today, proudly sharing the release of my first technical engineering paper book on fundamentals of project planning and engineering. This book, first edition, was published on July 16, 2017 and now completed 4 years of publication for University of Mumbai. Many of our engineering students have referred this book and I hope they have got good knowledge as well as good marks in their academics. This preparation journey was little different as I have spent about 12 years of my contributions and efforts for making this book. As a team, we have worked together for giving our inputs to University of Mumbai for updating the B instrumentation course syllabus, and now it is up to date. This book is specifically designed and developed to capture the gap between engineering academic and industrialization. Our efforts to minimize this gap. This book, Fundamentals of Project Planning and Engineering, offers comprehensive practical information to engineering students. It will serve as a database for all those who need to refer to it for proper understanding of project management concepts. Therefore, this book incorporates the principle of a project engineering, basically need, vision and delivery. This book will be a great help to the students where a course on project planning and engineering is included in the syllabus. This book design and specifically all the chapters included specific explanation with relevant blocks and schematic diagram. Book has tried to cover industrial standards, practices followed for the project execution by project team, project management and engineering document produced by instrumentation discipline. This is all about the book on fundamentals of project planning engineering, and next slide we will see more details and insight of this book. Stay tuned. Now we are moving on to the content of this book. All the chapters are arranged in order to understand the subject in a best suitable phase-wise manner of engineering execution project. First chapter is Introduction to Project Planning and Engineering. Second chapter, Project Planning and Scheduling. Third chapter, Engineering, Procurement and Construction, that is EPC. Fourth chapter, Codes and Standards for Engineering. Fifth chapter, Design and Development for Instrumentation and Control Engineering. Sixth chapter, Construction Design Engineering. Seventh chapter, Control System Engineering. Eighth chapter, Project Procurement Engineering. Ninth chapter, Quality Control Design Engineering Check. And 10th chapter, Project Implementation. And appendices, Codes and Standard, Symbols and Identification along with bibliography. The unique feature of this book is precise information related to topic, order arrangement of all the chapter, simple language and suitable sketches, case study examples make this book as a good choice for engineering student. This book was approved by faculty team members and Association of University of Mumbai and listed as a reference textbook in BE Instrumentation final year syllabus. Your choice of book copy of Fundamentals of Project Planning and Engineering is now available for online ordering on Penram International Publishing India Private Limited website, and special discounted price can be offered to all engineering students. The total book content, summary and their facts are also available on Penram Publication website. This Penram publication is owned by Dr. Mr. Ramesh Gaukar sir, author of Microprocessor 8085 and 8086 subject book, and I am proud to be associated with Penram publication for making me as part of their team through my book Fundamentals of Project Planning and Engineering. Once again, thank you all for watching this video and making us proud to be part of this concept. Thank you. Keep watching our channel eFunda and stay tuned for new topic, new subject on new day.